playing PTFS, Pilot Training Flight Simulator, Roblox. I'm here with Lucas. He's in a TEDx, a FedEx plane, and yeah. So we're gonna be doing a flight today from Cyprus. We're gonna be going to Tokyo International. I'm gonna be in first class, apparently, but he's here. I'll be the marshal. I'll marshal you.
Okay.
Now I've got a Microsoft Flight Simulator t-shirt. Okay, start the engines. Straight ahead. I said straight ahead! Anyway, Lucas, can I go on first class yet or not?
Wait, I'll just get a different plane then.
Okay, yeah. Move your piece of garbage out the way.
No, it's a piece of cabbage.
Okay, move your piece of cabbage out the way then.
Yeah, we have to come over here.
What?
There's a piece of cabbage in the way.
What's what? Oh, you're there.
Cabbage on the runway.
Okay. Hang on. Let me just stay there. I'm gonna get a stair. I'm gonna get a stair truck.
Okay, I'll get
Yeah, get the plane and hop in so it doesn't disappear.
Wait, yeah, I'll get this one for. I'll get Quanta.
Get in the plane. Hop in the plane and start the engine so it doesn't disappear.
Oh, it kicked me out.
Really?
Are you serious? This like never happens.
Really?
Mhm.
Why does it kick you out?
I don't know.
Okay. Anyway, load back into Cyprus. I've just got the stair truck and I'm going through your plane with the stair truck.
We're going in the Boeing, the 747.
Yeah, I've just put it there. The stair truck.
Hopefully it doesn't disappear.
So guys, we're gonna board the plane now. Let me just do the walk around, check the engines. Yeah, very nice. Walk through them. It's like a real pilot does in real life.
Did you know we have 36 bolts missing in one of our engines?
Oh, well, good. Okay, so let me give you a tour. Here is the economy. Here's the business. No, here's the first. No, never mind. These are the first class seats here down the bottom, and then
you need to go up the stairs.
Yeah, I know that's business class though. Oh, I just got kicked out of the plane. Hang on.
Good. Stop touring my plane.
But I'm trying to give the viewers a tour. Okay. Stop! I'm not even in the plane.
Well, get it.
I'm trying!
Okay, you were first class yet?
No, I'm not. Turn the engines on so your plane doesn't disappear, okay? Doesn't matter if I get sucked in. I'll be fine. Okay, we're going upstairs to business class. Okay, I can already tell first class is more nice. Can I have a window seat?
Sure.
Oh, thank you.
But you have to pay $25.
What? I have to pay $25 more to get a window seat. You're scammer. Okay, go now.
Your hair's kind of popping out the plane.
Oh, it doesn't matter. Just go.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
So actually, do you want to go to Tokyo or the? Wait, why don't we try going to Saint Barthélemy?
Okay.
Okay. So guys, we've changed our mind. We're going to Saint Barthélemy. Actually, we are.
Oh,
sorry about that.
Carrier.
No. We're not landing on an aircraft carrier, okay?
Okay, we're going to Saint Barthélemy.
What do you mean, Saint Barthélemy? Saint Barthélemy.
Saint Barthélemy.
Say Saint.
Saint.
Bar. Phil. Me. Saint Barthélemy, not Saint Barthélemy. Mini.
Saint Barthélemy.
What's that noise? What's that noise?
Plastic.
Ah.
Stuff you, ATC. I'm taking off anyway.
You know what? Let's get our binoculars out. Let's get the binocs out. I've just noticed how incredibly boring this is gonna be. Like, what takeoff is that? Is it a vertical takeoff? You're doing no. Pull up. Put the gear up. Put the flaps up. No, Lucas, actually.
You're gonna crash.
Yeah, we are. So, as you can see, we're going from right here to right there. So, here, where we are right now, to here. What's our speed looking like?
500 knots.
What are our G-forces looking like?
10 billion.
You're a terrible pilot, aren't you?
What do you mean? I'm actually able to fly upside down. I bet no one else can fly upside down in real life.
Well, if you tried to fly upside down in real life, your plane would stall. Turn the engines on! Turn the engines on, Lucas. Put the gear up. You're going to the wrong island. No, Lucas, actually turn the engines on. I'm gonna hop into co-pilot seat and put them on. What's our altitude looking like?
100.
No. Pull up. So guys, we're going right from here. We're at our yellow dot right now. And we're heading to, hang on, let me just zoom out of it. There we go. We're heading from right here, that yellow dot, to right there. Saint Barthélemy. Right, mate. Now, please like and subscribe. So, if I do fall out of this plane, you can, I have some money. Which I don't get money from YouTube. Please subscribe. Oh, and thank you for 10,000 views too. That's it. Yeah, anyway. But I just got a notification yesterday that I got 10,000 views. Thank you for 10,000 views, everyone. We're approaching Saint Barthélemy.
That cough was just a...
There you're going past the island. It's right there. Put the gear...
I need to line up my plane. I was going in the airport sideways.
Put the gear up. Put the gear down. And put the flaps down.
No.
Yes.
I don't like flaps.
Lucas, you're gonna overshoot the runway.
Just trust me.
Then you'll really be in trouble. Yeah, go down a bit. Lucas, you're approaching the island. Go down. You need to go down a tiny bit.
A tiny bit, okay.
No. Now try, please butter this landing.
No promises?
What do you mean no promises? You can probably start taking a little bit of power off now too.
I have been this whole time.
Really?
Yeah.
Take some more off. I do. No, I didn't mean that much.
We're doing 180 knots.
A 747's landing speed is 140 knots. So slow it down.
I can land at this airport with 50 knots.
No, because then your plane will stall, okay?
I can land at it with 200 knots as well.
Really?
Ashton
Sorry.
really loves to go in and then overshoot the landing like crazy.
Sorry, that's Brody at the door.
Fine.
Are we gonna have to do an ILS approach now? I should really put the reverses on.
They're on.
Okay, good. Hey, slow down. Full reverse thrust. Turn, turn, turn. Wow, you actually landed it.
Yeah, I'm not like you, Ashton.
What do you mean you're not like me? You should check my A3. You should check out my A330 landings. Huh?
That was so butter.
Well, you've got nothing compared to my A330 landings. Like, come on.
How long is this video gonna be?
I don't know. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Lucas might be starting to appear in more videos now. I don't know why, but he kind of just came. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Yes, I've got a Microsoft Flight Simulator t-shirt on. And with all of that done, bye-bye.